Creating an audio product is actually easier than you may think. And no, you don't need to rent an expensive studio or have expensive equipment, as today I show you how you can overlay a PLR.me background audio with your narrated text. This is not difficult. Keep watching and I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, it's Richard Butler here, Director of Education at PLR.me. And if you've watched any of our content marketing videos, you'll see I often talk about creating an audio from our products and then adding one of our audio tracks. Now, if you've not seen any of our content marketing videos yet, check out the link below. You're gonna like them. Now, before we get into this video, if this is your first time here, welcome. It's great to see you, and I'm so glad you're going to take a few minutes to watch this video with me. Make sure that you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you're the first to know about our free training videos and you'll get notified when we upload them. Now, I've had a lot of questions from you guys asking, how can I do this? What equipment do I need? Do I need a sound engineering degree and thick-rimmed glasses to do this? No, you don't need anything other than a free program called Audacity and the belief you can do this. That's probably the most important part. In this video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to download the program, how to install it, how to set it up, how to find an affirmation reflection, how to find an audio track, how to record your voice, how to add the background track, and how to export everything. And the most important thing is how to congratulate yourself on an amazing job well done. Let's talk about the tool I will use first. Audacity is a free, yes, no strings attached, program that you can download for Mac or PC. In this video, I will show you how I set it up on my Mac, but don't worry, the process is similar on a PC. And of course, you're going to need an affirmation reflection from PLR.me resource library, and of course, an audio track. So, first things first, let's go to audacityteam.org. From here, click on the download menu and select the operating system that you have. Now, in my case, I will select Mac. Select one of the options here and click to download. Let's wait for this to download. Okay, now that that's downloaded, I'm just going to find where it was downloaded and I'm going to install it by just double clicking on it. Okay, time to go over to the PLR.me resource library and find an affirmation reflection. The first thing I will do is type in the word mindful just up here in the corner, and from the drop down I'm going to select affirmation reflection and click on the search icon. Now here's one that I like, so I'm going to click on it to download it. And now that that's done, it's time to find an audio. This time I will simply click on the down arrow up here and select audio and search. I can always hear a sample by clicking on the play button. This one, Peaceful River, is just 5 minutes long and should work fine. Now don't worry if it's too long, as we can edit the length later. Okay, now I have everything I need. I have the affirmation reflection, I have the audio. Obviously I need to unzip it by just double clicking on it. So I'm going to open up Audacity and I'm going to record my voice by clicking here and starting to talk. So what I'll do is I'll simply read this audio, and if I make a mistake, there's no problems because I'm going to show you how to edit. So here we are and everything is recorded. Now, if the audio is too loud, we can reduce the volume just over here. Now, what happens if you've made a mistake? Well, that's okay, we're all human. Now what we're going to do is we're going to import the audio track. As you can see, the background track is longer than the narration, but we can fix that. But whoa, hold on, the audio is way too loud. So let's reduce the sound of this. So what you want to make sure is that you can hear the audio, but it doesn't drown out your voice. Now what I need to do is just cut out some of the audio to make it shorter. So what we're going to do is I'm going to select a piece of the audio and delete it just like this. And that's it. Okay, that's much better. Now I can continue to go on and cut out bits of the audio until it becomes the right size. I would suggest that you cut from the start of the audio and the end of the audio rather than in the middle, just to make it sound better. But now what we want to do is make this a little bit more pro. So let's fade the audio in and out at the start and at the finish. So select a section of the beginning and then go to the effects menu and select fade in. Do the same at the end like I'm showing on screen. Now, when you're happy, all you need to do is go to File and Export and select Export to MP3. That's it. Congratulations, you've done it. Can you believe it? Yes, it was that easy. Seriously, nothing more to do. Did you believe it would be more difficult? Well, you see how your beliefs can limit you because it's not that difficult at all. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. So now you have a new product, which is an affirmation reflection audio with a very pleasant background audio. And what you could do is you could also use this as a hypnosis audio. Now, the final thing I want you to do is make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit that little notification icon so that, again, you can be notified when we upload our next video. And hey, if you're not a member of PLR.me, well, how about signing up for free? Yes, a free account. It's free, did I mention that? And you get 2 free credits, did I mention that? Per month with no credit card needed. By the way, it's free. So just go to PLR.me and click on sign up. Thanks guys for watching this video. Again, it's another helpful tip so that you can get more content from PLR.me. If you liked it, give us a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment and make sure you subscribe because there's lots more videos coming on how you can repurpose our content. Talk to you very soon, guys. Bye.